Hello friends, and we have another Pet Nature box review to do for you guys, and this is the Christmas box. So in here will contain some of the Christmas items from Pet Nature. We got this box in yesterday and I've been dying to do the video to get it done so that I can see what is in this box. The dogs are excited, I'm excited, and Jamie brought the box home last night and was like, well, are you opening it? And I says, well, no, because I like to open it on camera, because I done that for the first time I think last month, and it seemed to be a really good video because I didn't have a sneak peek to see all the products before I actually done the video. So it was a bit of a surprise when I actually done it. So I'm looking forward to this box. I think this is November's box, but it is going to be kind of Christmassy related. So as you can see, I have not opened the box. The only thing I've done is just rip off the address on the front. So for those of you who don't know what Pet Nature is, Pet Nature Box is a subscription company where you can get goodies for your cat or your dog, and it's a monthly subscription service. They're fairly new doing these boxes, but each month they just keep getting better and better. We absolutely love them. First thoughts is that the box doesn't feel that heavy, so it's telling me that there's maybe some light things in here. So we'll go and open up and let you guys. Are we ready to see what's in the Christmas box? Yes. Are we ready? Dogs always get so excited. Ta-da! Wow, look! I'm going to take the information leaflet out and just turn it over and put it down, because I don't like to sneak peek at the leaflet to see what's in it. Look! It says, Merry Christmas to all of our lovely subscribers. We're giving you 10% off your next box charge. We hope you have a fantastic Christmas. Love the Pet Nature Box team. Wow, 10% off. That is really good. Okay, so this is the box here. Give you a wee close up of it. Nice red tissue paper and green and red string. Wow, look at this. Right, there's a couple of leaflets to go through first. Dogs, out the box, out the box, out the box. Come on, you need to wait. Okay, so we have, let me see, we have Twinkies Pet Bakery, 20% off coupon. I've never heard of them before, but I'll sure look them up. We have Boots and Bones, 30% off with code. I'll have a look at them on Instagram. Pixie, no, you need to wait. Oh, the Ruffle Snuffle. The Ruffle Snuffle. This is a Ruffle Snuffle, guys. This is a voucher for the Ruffle Snuffle, or an information leaflet for the Ruffle Snuffle. And this is our Ruffle Snuffle here. So let's see. Ooh, it just tells you about the Ruffle Snuffle and what they do and what other products that they have. There you go. We love our Ruffle Snuffle. Roxy loves to lie on it. Okay, Cheshire Reclaim Anew, handcrafted. These look like, oh, these are raised dog balls. Something that I was thinking of with the girls was getting raised dog balls, because maybe that's why they've not been eating that great. I'll need to have a look at this website and look into that definitely, because that's something that me and Jamie are always talking about, is getting like raised food balls. Okay, and this is Miss Helen's handmade gifts for home and hounds, made in Britain. Get 10% off orders over £10 by using the code at the checkout at Etsy. Oh, I've just done my online shopping at Etsy. Oh, I might need to go back in and start again. Okay, are we ready, ladies? Are we ready to see what's in the box? Are we? Are we going to pull the string? Are we? Nice red tissue paper. Roxy, get your nose out. Get your nose out. Come on. Let everybody see. Oh, wow. Look at this. Nose is straight in. Wow, look. Oh my goodness. This looks like such a fun box. Oh, wow. Okay, I don't really know where to start. Okay, now where's my leaflet? Here it's here. Put it over here. So our box was packed by Gemma. I think Gemma packs all of our boxes. She must like packing our box. Does she? Okay, so let's start off with the first thing. The first thing we have in here is the festive Ruffle Snuffle Tugger Pops. And this is this. And look, it's in Christmas colours. Look at that, and it's like a rubber ball on the end of it with some fleecy rope. Wow, that's great. Okay, so this is it here. The festive Ruffle Snuffle Tugger Pops. Like many of you, we are huge fans of the Ruffle Snuffle activity mats. And now this possum company has developed these very cool Tugger Pop toys. We managed to get them in our favourite festive colours, ready for extreme indoor playtime. And these come in at £9. Wow, oh my goodness, £9. Look, do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Oh, snotty, snotty. Ready, 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 ready. Did you got it? Have you got it? Did you get it? Ready, go get it. I'll add a clip of the girls playing with that just now so you can see their reaction. Okay, you guys, so they absolutely loved that. Pixie? No. It's behind there so we can see what else is in this box. Okay, the next thing we have is the Billy and Margot popcorn with seaweed. and this is it here. Now, we absolutely love these. The girls have tried these before. It is really good, and the dogs really like them. I just tend to like pick up a handful and like just spray them all over the floor, and the dogs will chase after them and go and eat them. So we'll do that soon, okay? We'll do that very soon. Yes? Okay, ladies. So this is Billy and Margaret popcorn for dogs. It's 100% air popped popcorn with seaweed seasoning. And the only thing about it is that once it's opened, you have to eat it within 7 days. So you've only really got 7 days to eat it. So I think, yeah, we could open that today. We'll open that today, ladies. We'll have a go at that today. Okay, now let me see what it says in here about the popcorn. There's nothing better than cuddling up to watch your favourite Santa Claus film with the family. Now your fluffy pals can enjoy their own healthy popcorn meal. A real cinema experience, followed of course by a sneaky snooze. I absolutely love it. And these treats come in at $1.99, which is really good. And the sell by date on them is really good as well. So if we weren't to open them, they would last to 2018, which is really good. But we do want to open them because this is a review and we do like it, yes. Okay, and the next thing is, oh my goodness, festive dog scarf. Look. There you go. You got your scarf on? It's a bit big. Maybe Mummy will need to sew it. Put a couple of stitches in it. Wow, that is really good. So this scarf is, it's getting cold outside, wrap up warm and don't forget your scarf. What's more, these are super cute and can be adjusted to the required size. We can't wait to see those adorable photos. Don't forget to tag us. Oh, let me see, so you can adjust. Oh, you can adjust it. Look. Here's me thinking it's just the one size. Here, Pixie, you want to wear your scarf? Oh, look at you with your scarf. Oh, Roxy doesn't have one. Poor Roxy doesn't have a scarf. Oh, don't feel left out. We'll get you one, don't worry. That is super cute. Oh my goodness, that is just too cute. Pixie is like this. What the heck is this around my neck? Get it off me right now. That is the scarf there, you guys. I absolutely love that. And this is from Pet Scarf by Annie Mate. And you can wash it up to 30 degrees, which is really good. This scarf comes in at $4.99. It's not a toy. Roxy's sniffing it like it was a toy. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice Christmas scarf. Okay, now the next thing we have in here is a Christmas groovy mouse. Oh my goodness, the dogs are going to love this. This is it here. How adorable are these little mice with their little Santa hats? A lovely, soft, comforting toy for those cosy Christmas days. Although we think they might be up for a bit of indoor fetch now and then. And these come in at £4.99. And as you can see, Pixie loves it. You love it. Oh, and he's got a squeaky! Do you want it? Do you want it? loves it. Absolutely loves it. Okay, the next thing we have here is the Twinkies Chicken Biscotti Biscuits. Sounds very posh. Look. Oh, wow. And they're little stars. You'll be interested in this one. You're not interested in the toys, Roxy. You're only interested in the biscuits, aren't you? Okay, so these are Twinkies Chicken Biscotti Biscuits. These are beautifully packaged, handmade treats. Are wheat and gluten free and use only organic chicken breast and sweet potato. Amongst the other lovely fresh ingredients, these would be a new favourite. Sorry, I've not got my glasses on. I really should wear my glasses. Okay, let's see. In here we have organic chicken breast, sweet potato, cheese, parsley, vegetable oil, brown rice flour. Oh, I think that's supposed to say flour. It says four, like F-O-U-R. Oh, I think that's a mistype. These pet treats are complimentary food items and are not complete dog foods. Best before 15th of the 12th. Keep refrigerated and store in a dry space. Wow. Are we going to open them? I'm actually going to keep the popcorn for another day because there's another packet of treats in here that I'm going to open. I don't really want to open all three, so I am going to keep the popcorn for another day. And you know, I am working for the next week with only 2 days off, so there's no really any time for me to have a movie and sit down with the dogs and have popcorn. So I am going to save that for when I'm more off. Maybe during the Christmas week we can watch Christmas movie. Oh, wow. Oh, Roxy! You need to be careful. You need to be careful. Look at the size of that little star, and it looks very cheesy. You want it? Do you want it? Stand, Roxy. Stand. No, 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 holding on, no, holding on. We spoke about this, remember? Stand. 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 Good girl, give me a kiss. Good girl. Oh, she's like, oh, I love these. Pixie, come here. No, no holding on. Stand. No holding on. Come here. Stand. Good girl. Wait. Wait. Give me a kiss. Good girl. There you go. Cheeky monkey. Wow, they look amazing. Do you want another one? There you go, have another one. I love these. They're so cute. Okay, so they absolutely loved them, and we are going to keep them in the refrigerator and eat them as soon as possible because they are tasty and we don't want them to go to waste. Okay, the last thing we have in this box is these healthy centres, and they are turkey and cranberry biscuits. Also, these are the festive ones, and these are like a kind of biscuit wafery thing, like you know when you get your breakfast biscuit like Shreddies, they look like that, and then they've got like the delicious cream filled dog treat in the middle. And these yummy turkey and cranberry biscuits have a lovely taste liquid centre. Now the festive fun can last much longer, and these come in at £1.79, and these look really, really nice. These are with real turkey and cranberry. It's rich in omega-3, gives dogs healthy coat, and 6 calories per treat. Expiry date is 2018. And let's see, wheat flour, canola oil, cornstarch, poultry meat meal, cranberry powder, turkey meal, natural flavouring. Okay, let's open them. Will we open? And these don't come in a resealable bag, so I'm going to need to reseal these. Oh no, wait, they do come in a resealable bag. Oh good. I had visions there, I had to transfer them. And I do like the packaging. Oh! Oh, can I have one? Can I have one? Can I have, do you want to smell? Does it smell good? Does it? Want to smell? Do you want one? No, you need to sit nice. Sit. Good girl. Okay. Stand. 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 Oh, you look like a meerkat. Stand. Ladies, stand. Ooh. Don't you be getting grumpy? Come here. You don't answer me back to say hurry up, give me that. Stop making me do tricks to get a treat. You don't speak like that. Do you want one? Speak. 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 Come here. Come here. Speak. Give me a kiss. Good girl. There you are. That is what these treats look like here. If I can get one. There you go. Oh, Roxy! Roxy, come on! You need to let them, no, you need to let them see. I think she loves these. Here, have one. She's a cheeky wee monkey. Yeah, and have another one. So if I can show you while they're eating, that is what they look like there. Just wee wafer biscuits. They look very, very tasty. And if I can break one in half. It is a kind of, it's a bit misleading on the picture. Inside the filling is pink, but the filling is quite brown on this, obviously because there's like meat in it. There you go, ladies. There. Oh, they're very good. And you get plenty in the bag. And that is us. So that is our Christmas Pet Nature box review. And we absolutely loved this box. I really like these treats. It's a shame you only get like a very small amount in them. I've included clips of the girls playing with the toys and stuff, so thank you very much Pet Nature Box for sending us such a great box out this month. They just keep getting better and better. We absolutely love them. And give us a thumbs up if you like this video and leave us a comment. And as always, if you haven't subscribed already, please do. And we will catch you on the next video. Bye guys!